Why does your scanner show the P2054 engine code? What does it mean? P2054 is a diagnostic trouble code for reductant injector circuit low bank 1 Unit 2. This engine code indicates that the electrical problem, specifically a low voltage condition in the circuit that controls the reductant injection valve, which is a component of the diesel exhaust fluid DEF system on diesel vehicles. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty reductant injector. Wiring issues. Short circuit. PCM problem. Low DEF fluid. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Mercedes-Benz models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.